Morning. How's things going? Me, Eric P. Today, bike check. Not my bike, a good friend of mine. Well, this is one of the time when it's going to go bye-bye soon. So before it goes bye-bye, I thought let's maybe just do a quick bike check. Alright. That is a Nomad 2020. And orange, size large, with all the bells and whistles. I tell you, that one is one sexy componentry of a bike. He's about to sell it to change to something even more tricky. So let's see the bike before it goes away. Phew. Alright. Nomad 4, the orange clown version. Tricked out parts, yo. Check it out. Okay, so let's go section by section, shall we, today? I'll be a bit more disciplined and go in an orderly fashion from this thingy, handlebar, cockpit, here. Shall we? Let's try. So what we have, rev grips. This is the more expensive version, the rev grips. These are I think $149 Singapore dollars. Rental, 1 bars, and after which Unite stamp caps, stamp spaces, Fox from Jensen USA, color coordinated, gold, red, XO1s, Saints, and then you got your 36 Casimas with decal from Richard Scott Design. You got a Contact 203s, race face ARCs 31 laced with limited edition Chris King. Yeah, Chris King. There you go. The tires are, if I'm not wrong, this is one of the spikes that uses the Minion DHFs. The vertex pedals, E13 chain guides, DHX2 spring, titanium spring, super cast bottle, cage holder, Unite pivot bolts, and after which the Fox transfers. What are these? Fabrics, I think. Look at them, nice X12s, gold XO1s again, Eagle XO1s here again, a little bit of metal bling at the tube cap. Looking from afar, it looks sexy and sweet as hell. DHR rear tires. And I think these ones here has got the Huck Norris inside. Anyways, check out the sexy bike before it's gonna go away. If you're keen to buy this bike, I think it's being let go for a frame as well as seat post. Fuck! Yeah. So that's it. Simple bike check before it goes on sale.